Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a torn picture effect using Canva like this, but only using your iPhone. So to create like this, basically you have to basically it's just two elements. The first is a picture. You have to prepare the picture, and then the second element is this torn paper frame from Canva. So to create this torn picture, you have to merge it into a frame. Alright, now let me show you how to do that. First, you have to prepare a picture and then click this plus symbol over here in the search elements. Okay, click on this plus symbol and then go to elements and then search elements torn paper, and then go to the frames like this. Click on frames, and then you will have many options of torn paper frames like this. So now you have to scroll down and search for the torn paper effect that you want. So there are so many options here. Alright, so I'm going to choose this frame, and now you just have to click on the photo again and then drag it to the frame. Now it becomes a torn picture effect like this. So that's how you create a torn picture effect. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in another tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.